How to log in Axis Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.axisbank.com. Then just like so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, click on Login icon. Here it will show you Internet Banking, under which you will see Personal or Neo for Business. Now click on Personal Login. Now at this portal, enter your login ID or your customer ID. Under below, it will ask you for your password. Enter your password. Now if you would like to see your password, click on the eye icon and it will show you your password. Enter the captcha that is shown in this box. And once you all do so, go below and click on Login. In case you have forgotten your password, click at Reset here to reset your account. And if you think that your account has been locked, go below to enable Login ID. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to access more helpful contents like this.